Hello and welcome to our webinar on AI tools for teachers. Now with so many different tools out there, I know finding the right one can feel a bit overwhelming. Hence my goal today is to simplify things for you. I'm Arun and I'll be taking you through how AI can actually lighten your workload, make classes more engaging, and overall help you do what you love best, teach. So let's jump in and see how AI can change things up in your teaching. With AI, you can actually save hours of extra work and make teaching way easier. Imagine having more time to focus on what you love, connecting with your students, engaging with them, and of course making them understand the complex topics in a much simpler way. It's actually just like having an assistant in your classroom sessions. Okay, now let's look at how AI can benefit specific subjects. For math teachers, AI can actually generate step-by-step solutions for big problems. Imagine not having to spend hours writing down and solving those complex equations and instead getting to spend more time explaining them to your students. Coming to science, AI gives you access to 3D models and simulations that makes tricky concepts easier to understand. It's like bringing science to life right in front of your students, which makes learning so much more exciting and memorable. And for language teachers, AI can automatically assess writing assignments and offer suggestions for improvement, saving you hours of grading time. Alright, let me introduce you to this all-in-one AI teaching tool, Brightclass. With Brightclass, you can quickly pull together high-quality lesson plans for any grade level, quizzes in various formats, ready-made PPTs that match your lesson plans, PDF and video summaries in just seconds, and so much more. All these features are designed to take your teaching to the next level while cutting down on prep time. It's like having a personal teaching assistant right there with you. Okay, and let me tell you about the best part. You can start using Brightclass for free. Amazing, right? Just sign up and explore all these AI-powered features to see the difference they can make in your teaching. So if you're convinced that Brightclass can make a real impact in your school, talk to your management about adopting it. Or you can share the contact details of the right person by sending a WhatsApp message to the below number. We'll take it from there and get your school AI ready. Thank you for watching this session. I hope you found it insightful and are excited about the possibilities of using AI in your classrooms. Let's shape the future of education together with AI. See you soon.